is for angelfish. Say with me, angelfish, angelfish, angelfish. Good job. B is for blue whale. Say with me, blue whale, blue whale, blue whale. C is for clownfish. Say with me, clownfish, clownfish, clownfish. Keep it up. D is for dolphin. Say with me, dolphin, dolphin, dolphin. Awesome. E is for eel. Say with me, eel, eel, eel. Very nice. F is for flounder. Say with me, flounder, flounder, flounder. G is for grouper. Say with me, grouper, grouper, grouper. H is for hack. Say with me, hack, hack, hack. I is for isopod. Say with me, isopod, isopod, isopod. Very nice. J is for jellyfish. Say with me, jellyfish, jellyfish, jellyfish. K is for killer shark. Say with me, killer shark, killer shark, killer shark. Good job. L is for lobster. Say with me, lobster, lobster, lobster. M is for manatee. Say with me, manatee, manatee, manatee. Very nice. N is for narwhal. Say with me, narwhal, narwhal, narwhal. O is for octopus. Say with me, octopus, octopus, octopus. Good job. P is for prawn. Say with me, prawn, prawn, prawn. Very nice. Q is for queen conch. Say with me, queen conch, queen conch, queen conch. R is for ray. Say with me, ray, ray, ray. Good job. S is for seahorse. Say with me, seahorse, seahorse, seahorse. Very nice. T is for turtle. Say with me, turtle, turtle, turtle. Good job. U is for urchin. Say with me, urchin, urchin, urchin. V is for vampire squid. Say with me, vampire squid, vampire squid, vampire squid. W is for walrus. Say with me, walrus, walrus, walrus. Good job. X is for X-ray tetra. Say with me, X-ray tetra, X-ray tetra, X-ray tetra. Y is for yellow tan. Say with me, yellow tan, yellow tan, yellow tan. Very nice. Z is for zooplankton. Say with me, zooplankton, zooplankton, zooplankton. Good job. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.